Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send message on WhatsApp without saving the number. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging apps in the world. Whatever your opinion of the app's privacy policy, there is no doubt that WhatsApp is incredibly easy to use for messaging, group chats, voice and video calls, and more. There have always been one or two quirks of the app that have made it more awkward to use than it needed to be. However, one of those quirks was the fact that if you wanted to message someone on WhatsApp, you needed to add them as a contact first. This always felt a little cumbersome when other messaging app allow you to send a message directly to a phone number without needing to stick that person in your phone. So, if you need to message as customer service WhatsApp, for example, you have to save their number in your contact. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to send message on WhatsApp without saving the number. It's so simple, so you can just open your Chrome or Google. Now you can just search on the search bar in here. Now you can search on the search bar wa.me slash. You can enter the number that you want to chat. Don't forget to add the country code first. And you can enter the phone number. Now you can just tap on enter. You can just tap on continue to chat. This is on your WhatsApp app. So now you can start chat for this number. As you can see in here, you don't need to save the number to chat with this account, with this person. And yeah, that's it. So simple, right? So that is how to chat someone on WhatsApp without saving the number. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.